It is 5 a.m. and my dad and I are going to go for a bike ride to get a donut. I want a fresh one, so we had to be early. Update, some more layers, and this reflective jacket. Well, we tried to go for a bike ride,
yeah,
but it was a little too dark, so I think we're just gonna drive
and get a donut.
and get a donut.
Thank you. So we the last day
So today, hi,
Alright.
good morning.
Good morning. So we just got our Rocco's Donuts, got our coffee from Cumbies, and these things, we got 4 of them, and they look amazing. There's the cannoli, there's the pumpkin spice latte. Dad got original because, and then there's the Boston cream. But since it's October, they call it the Boston Scream. So it's festive. Is it good? Is it warm?
No, but it's good.
There's the sunrise. Well, they have to make them all in advance because apparently they're really popular. All right, I'm gonna take a bite of the cannoli first, I think. It might be a little loud, right? I'll just put it over or something. Wait, I need to get to the filling.
Huh?
Oh, this
Not
is
bad.
fun.
What one's that? Can I have a little taste?
Yeah.
Maybe I don't. Okay, that's good.
Oh my goodness. All right, wait. I'm gonna get to
Are we
the
gonna eat the
center.
whole thing? How are we gonna burn this off?
Bike ride.
We're gonna have to ride a bike to China.
Oh my goodness, this is worth everything. Oh,
That's good.
that's delicious. And there's filling inside. Ricotta filling. This is gonna be fun. I'll look back in 20 years and I'll see what I did with my dad.
So that's why I'm so fat.
No.
Ah!
Oh my goodness, this is delicious. I don't think I've had like a donut in years. Well, that's not true. I have like had like
Pastries.
donut holes and stuff, but I've never gone to a donut shop. This is so
You know
good.
what? Yeah. Oh yeah. See, I like an old plain donut. This is nice. You want some? Yes.
I've got my work cut out for me.
Hold on. Are you gonna eat all 4?
No,
No. Just 3, Dad.
I gotta try all of them, but this one's delicious.
All right. Can I try the middle of that
Yeah,
one?
yeah. Ooh, that's a good bite. Oh.
What is it? Hold it. That's what I want. Just that, right
Take
there.
as much as I. We're making a mess.
Okay.
Oh.
Sometimes the mess is worth it.
Oh.
Mmm.
We're back to
Clean that up later. And the sun's coming up.
I haven't had sugar in a
So-
while.
It's okay to blow it once in a while.
But we're going on a bike ride later too.
Right. I'm gonna go on a bike ride. Sure I am.
Okay. Boston
What's that?
cream, but they put a decoration on because it's Halloween time.
Mm. All right. Can I taste that one?
It's all yours. I
Well-
don't want any more of it.
Wait a second.
Coffee's good. I'm glad I got coffee.
These are bad. These are so good they're bad. All right, I'm done.
Pumpkin spice. Want to try this one?
Wait a minute now.
Yeah. Slow down. All right. I got stuff all over my face.
Did you?
Would you have it any other way, Michelle?
Hey, how's the pumpkin? How's the
Pretty good, but I'm feeling it.
All right. I'm
think-
starting to get sick.
Yep. All right.
What's this little thing in the...
I think it's coffee, because it's pumpkin spice latte. So I think they put a little.
Wow.
Okay, this one's definitely my favorite.
I like the pumpkin. And the plain. The plain is plain, but I like it.
I can't go wrong with it.
Way too much sugar.
I know, I'm feeling it now. All right, say bye to the camera.
Look at that tree. Look how red that tree is.
Yeah.
Isn't that beautiful?
So it's currently 7 a.m. and we're still gonna go for a bike ride. We're just waiting a little bit. I think Dad's gonna do something down at the barn. It's really peaceful right now. Oh, there's Dad. We had our donuts and I'm feeling it. The sugar is coming to my head.
Hi.
Hi.
Do you want to just skip the exercise?
This whole summer, we've been going for bike rides almost every day. And this is the earliest I've been up in a while. So it'll be pretty to see all the trees, and I think it'll be well worth it. Sponsored by Cumberland Farms. All right, we're on the bike trail. Dad stopped because Matt called him on the phone. First mile and a half is all uphill, and then it goes down. So I had to stop and take a video of my favorite view. We usually go at the opposite time of the day, sunset. It's fun to see how Dad's a good sport. I said, "This is so much fun." He goes, "Yeah, about as fun as a hemorrhoid."
That I can still balance at 58.
Don't hurt yourself.
Huh?
Okay, this is another one of my favorite properties. I mean, this whole bike ride's really gorgeous, no matter where you go, because it's all like farmland and, you know, it's just a different time of day. It's pretty at all times of day. Usually the sun's down that way, but now it's over here, obviously, because that's how the sun works. This is it, Stars Hollow. We came here to
Hi.
warm up our hands. We're just having a great time. Whoa. Yeah. Okay. So we're back from our bike ride and donut excursion, and it was pretty fun. We had a good time. That was the first bike ride where going uphill was better than down because it was so cold out. Can't believe we were almost about to go biking at 5 a.m. because we thought the sun was going to be up, but it wasn't, and it was so dark. We were like, our eyes will adjust, but it was very dark. Like, the sun rose at 7 and we were up at 5:30. It was not going to happen. Maybe if we had gone in the summertime, it would have been better, or after daylight savings. Everything worked out. It was good.